Hello YouTube, I'm going to do a quick video here unpacking of lights that I ordered for my Lexus 2001 GS from Amazon. They were on sale. They even have like I think like $10 off. So in reality I paid like $26 for this light. As you guys can see here, made in China. Like everything else, the numbers are X00116XD13 LED bulb made in China. Okay, so it comes very quick. It's supposed to be later, but apparently they have one kind of sale. Well packing. So they're called Auxbean LED light, LED systems. They say they match my Lexus. That's the way the box come right there. Auxbean LED, extremely bright, pure white, 65K sunlight, stunning output, Lumens technology, meter exceed aftermarket, 35 watt HID kits, turbo, blah blah blah, simple to install, 5,000 hour without color fading. All right. Okay, so this is the way they come in the package. You guys can see this is the little fans. These are the Auxbean with the lights right there. This is the other one. So like for example, if I go and grab my light from my car, I'm gonna do an installation video. Okay, let's see what else comes in this package over here. So that's the way they come. You can unpack from there. Use exactly the same connector that I use in my Lexus 2001 gs300. So you got the positive and the negative right there. I have a little fan right there, you guys can see. I have the ring over here. Exactly the same that connects on my car. This is the next one right here. Okay, and on the box come with a sticker for advertising, Auxbean, and a little manual right there. Okay, so you have like Chinese, Russian, and Spanish and English. You got 3 languages right there. Give you step by step how to install, instructions. So I think I'm gonna do the installation now. I don't know, let me go and grab the key. In the meantime, let me put a stop to this video.